In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Twilio CLE on Windows. We're gonna use the standard user interface and browser, so follow these steps. Open your browser and navigate to the Twilio CLE GitHub release page. Look for the latest version of the Twilio CLE and find the MSC installation file for Windows, and click the download link for the Windows installer. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded MSC file and double-click the MSC file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it how you want on your PC and verify the installation. Open the command prompt by pressing Win+R, type CMD and press Enter. In the command prompt, type Twilio version and press Enter. You should see the installed version of the Twilio CLE confirming that the installation was successful. That's it, you've successfully installed the Twilio CLE on your Windows machine using the standard user interface and your browser. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.